What is up, guys? So today I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna talk about why cows are wearing VR headset. So if you're using social media recently, you may have seen this picture going around with cows wearing VR headset, and today I'm gonna explain the reason behind this. But before we get into it, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, because a lot of you guys are watching and are not subscribed. And make sure you share with a friend who you think want to know the reason behind this. So as you know, recently this picture has been going around, and this is said to be a farm in Russia, and they are maybe conducting an experiment, and this experiment is to see that the VR headset will either calm anxiety and also increase the produce in milks. So that's their main reason behind this VR headset. And before I even say more, let me just give my thoughts here. Even though cows might be able to wear VR headset, but I don't think they deserve to wear VR headset. I mean, you already cage them up. You already put away their freedom by caging them and making them have to do certain things at certain time. Make they have to follow certain rules and all that. Why you wanna take away the freedom of their vision? Like, I see that as going over the line right there. I don't think they need to put on VR headset, make them just can see just one thing for the whole day. I think that's just ruin their freedom totally. Imagine going to school, and once you enter in school, they just put on VR headset, and how would you feel? Like, I kind of think this is like animal cruelty to me. So I'm not a big fan of this VR headset thing. I mean, you pierce their ears already, you tag them, you cage them, you make them follow in a herd and all those stuff, and you punish them. Maybe we don't see it as punishment, but they see it as punishment when you milk the cows and all those stuff and have them pierce the ears and all those stuff. I'm pretty sure they feel pain when their ears are pierced. So I think this is going over the line in agriculture, and I don't see why they're gonna do this just to increase productivity and reduce anxiety. But what's behind this? What's in the VR headset? What's claimed to be in the VR headset? Like, this company was told the news that they were reached out to design a VR world, which is basically a summer field simulation for the cows. So I'm wondering if this will be used in the winter, so they can feel like they're also in summer when it's winter and the time is cold. Because these pictures, as you can see, it's gray skies, and this guy that is in the picture is also in a coat. So I'm guessing it's when it's cold in Russia they're gonna use this. And as you can see, these images are, some of them are from Ministry of Agriculture and Food of Moscow region. So I think that's the reason. So when they're in winter, because we as humans, when winter time come, we tend to reduce productivity. We tend to like go hibernate, even though we're going to our jobs, but we don't feel that energized going to the job like when it's summer. So I'm guessing that's what the VR headset should stimulate for the cows, and this will just increase milk productivity in the winter also, and in the summer it will be the same. I wouldn't guess they're gonna use it in the summer unless it's a cold summer, which is every now and then you get a cold summer. But I think that's the reason, and as I said, I'm not a big fan of this, because how could you do this to an animal? Like, that's just taking the freedom away from their vision. And we all know how it's blessed to see things, because a lot of people out there can't see, and it's just a blessing when you can see things. Trust me. Like, think about it. If you couldn't see, like, what would you do? How would you feel if an animal just come up to you and just juke you in your eye and just you're blind, or you just have to see what they want you to see. Like, I think that's going over the board, as I said. And I know this is not the only thing that they're doing to animals these days. I'm pretty sure they're doing more cruelty to animals, and the same meat and milk that we are buying and the same animal produce that we are buying, you don't know, some of us don't know what really took place to get that meat or that byproduct. But trust me, there's a lot of things going behind scenes, and this VR headset thing I'm really not a fan of, because I see this as animal cruelty, as I said. And I hope to hear more about this. Like, what's the reason behind this? Is this just like, it was this like an advertisement and the pictures got leaked or something, which I don't think so. Or was this like a market stunt? Because I don't know. But I want to know more, and currently I don't know more to tell you guys, but when I know more, I will tell you guys as soon as possible. If you know more, make sure to leave it down in the comment section, because I love to read through you guys' comments and I'll reply and say, yes, that makes sense, or no, that makes sense because of this and whatever. I just love when you guys interact with me. So make sure, feel free to comment down below, and make sure you subscribe, because a lot of you guys are watching and are not subscribed. But that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys in my next video. Peace. Make sure to subscribe, because a lot of you guys are not subscribed and are watching. So thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys in my next video. Peace.